Hi, my name is Stephanie. I originally came to Dr. Ting for Invisalign and because I had difficulty breathing through my nose. I ended up getting a double palatal expander on the top and the bottom and eventually going through jaw surgery, which I was very apprehensive about in the beginning, but I was under great care and recovered very quickly. The process was so easy I'd probably do it again. I did eventually get Invisalign after that, and I'm extremely happy with the overall appearance of my teeth and the fact that I can breathe easily through my nose. My sleep has improved and the general quality of my life is so much better. My kids are now coming to Dr. Ting for their own palatal expanders, and I'm really excited to see what their results will be in the future and for them to also take their journey.